This upcoming year, 2025, I will religiously try to learn how to wheelie. I started practicing today. I didn't do bad. So I already located a balance point, but the only problem was I cannot hold it long enough. I think I can only hold it for 3 to 4 seconds and I drop it down. I think I need to spend more time with this bike, or people called it seat time. I want to look at this video in 2026 and tell myself, Luis, you came a long way. But anyways, I know myself. I'm not gonna give up. I will push through and keep on practicing until I feel comfortable. Happy New Year. Set a goal and let's go get it in 2025.
Let's go.